30 minutes like that's 1320 WJAS. Expecting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency alert system on the Talk of Pittsburgh 1320 WJAS. This was only a test.
Chance of rain 40%.
Yep, there it is.
What's up? I really understand it, so I just stopped saying good morning to her. It was weird though, 'cause all of them responded to me, except for her. Especially
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
No, but no joke. If there were walkouts, I just want.
What the heck just say? Good grief.
What time is it?
11:10. West of today, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms between 10 a.m. and noon. Then a chance of showers.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's see if I can get
This is the
WWG52
National Weather Service office in State
because I was able to get it this morning. Nope, that's a no-go. All right, no-go. Come on, let's go.
Activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow.
I noticed that
Tests of these systems are
3733
normally
is
conducted
kind of
by the
quiet.
National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Oops.
Cambria, Cameron, Clearfield, Elk, Franklin, Fulton, Huntington, Mifflin, Northern Center, Northern Clinton, Somerset, Southern Center, and Pleasanton. Rain 50%. When? Until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Thunderstorms with intense rainfall rates around 2 inches per hour could result in isolated to scattered instances of flash flooding. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible within a short 1 to 3 hour duration, with locally higher amounts up to 5 inches possible. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Hi.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warm area. Expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Monroeville, Vandergrift, Plum, West Mifflin, Marysville, Wilkinsburg, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Munhall, Harrison Township, North Versailles, Smithvale, O'Hara Township, Forest Hills, Wilkins Township, Oakmont, Duquesne, and Fox Chapel. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
I think it's a flash flood warning. Yep. Here it is, yep. Flash flood warning.
It's a flood warning?
Yeah.
It's a what?
Flood warning. Took you guys long enough? Seriously.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour.
Yep, and there it goes right now. There it goes.
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cranberry, Butler, Homaker, Lindura, Shatner, Northview, Meridian, Zelienople, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Evans City, Nixon, Chicora, Harmony, East Butler, Connequan-Essing, and Callery. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Yeah.
This is no...
Hear that.
Today's actually the opposite day, so we said that that's very rude. Today's opposite day, so they're actually saying that he's very
Bruh.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Allegheny County,
There we
in
go.
southwestern Pennsylvania,
I was waiting for
western
this
Westmoreland
one.
County in southwestern
I was literally
Pennsylvania
waiting for this
until
one.
6:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in
Bruh.
Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning
What
for
the heck?
southeastern Allegheny.
Hello? Hello? What are you guys doing? You guys are literally dead air. What the heck? Bro.
Flash flood warning. At 3:20
You guys
p.m.,
are
Doppler radar
so
indicated additional
stupid.
thunderstorms producing heavy rain
You
across the
guys
rural area.
are so
Between 0.5 and
stupid.
1.8 inches of rain have fallen.
What the
Additional
heck?
rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5
They
inches are
just,
possible in the rural
wow.
area. Flash flood.
Wow, ridiculous. Wow.